everybody, my name is Path Anand and this is the introduction video on this channel. I would be uploading videos related to coding. I will be teaching you guys many languages such as React.js, React Native, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML, CSS, JavaScript are a pack for web development, Java for Android development, Python and many other languages. I know you guys did not understand whatever I said right now, but gradually, if you keep watching my videos, you will understand what are these things. And I will upload many tutorials on this channel. I will teach you guys how you can create apps, clone apps, and websites. And all this is for free. Nothing is paid. And if you want this all of this for free, then the only thing you have to do is subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that each time I upload a video you guys get notified. So let me tell you guys a bit about myself. My name is Path Anand. I am a programmer. My age is 11. I own a company named Connex. You guys can check out the website. It's called https://connex.ml/flexcard. Make sure you guys check it out if you want to know about my company. And getting back to the topic, so I am a programmer. I know many languages like such as React.js, React Native, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, used for web development, Java for Android development. There are many languages such as Flutter, Kotlin, you can use to create Android apps. Then Python can also be used to create apps. Now there are like a number of Python libraries which allows you to create websites. The library, one of the most popular libraries, its name is Flask, and you can like create apps through, websites in Python with the help of Flask. Then you can create AI chatbots like Alexa, Google Echo, like you can say. Python, I guess, is the best language out of all of them as it is easy to learn and helps us to create many things in an easy way. So, if you're new to programming, I would recommend to start from Python and then Java, later DSA, CPP, and yeah. So, now many of you might have got a question in your mind: what is DSA? What is CPP? So, let me tell you what's DSA. DSA is basically data structure and algorithm. A DSA is applied in all disciplines of software development. DSA is the building block of the software development process. It is not limited to a single programming language. All the programming languages evolve or get dormant over time. DSA is incorporated into all of these languages.
Parth, what is CPP?
Bro, a CPP file is a source code file written in C++, a popular programming language that adds features such as object-oriented programming to C language. It can be used standalone program or one of many files references in a development project. CPP files must be compiled by a C++ compiler for the target platform before run. C++ is one of the most popular programming languages and therefore CPP files are very common. And the best IDEs used across the world for C++ programming are Eclipse CDT, CodeBlocks 13 Overview, GNU Compiler Collection, which is also called GCC. Okay, so by the way, we stopped. I forgot to tell you guys about my code companion. His name is Jarvis, but I like to call him Bro. So yeah.
Hey everybody, how is it going? My name is Bro and I am Parth's code assistant. I help him while he is coding, studying and to wake him up daily. It's the worst situation for me cause I need to
Bro,
repeat
come
one
on.
thing
I don't
until
do
he
all of these
wakes up.
things. I wake up early in the morning.
Acha, Silla, Dia, Tunny, Mirko Parth.
Come on. Okay. So finally it turned off. Getting back. Bro is basically a virtual assistant like Alexa, made by me. I made him using Python, and we are best friends. If you want your own virtual assistant, just like I have, there's soon gonna be a tutorial on this channel. So that so make sure you guys watch it if you want a virtual assistant. So I guess that's it for this introduction video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a video. Thanks. Peace.